A Toy Unboxers production.
Hi, I'm doing a Goku video. Let's now look at the back of the box. Let's unbox it. Let's take out the character. Let's show you the character. Let's take out the vehicle. Let's show how the vehicles open and close. Open and close. Pretty easy to close. And let's take out the launcher. Oh, this launcher is pretty cool. Let's show you the cards. Let's show you how to put the character into its vehicle. You get the character, push it right in this part, and then push it up to how it can go far back, how far back it can do. Then you can close it, put the vehicle here, then as you can see, it opens. If you press it to the wall, this is being pressed. If it's pressed, it will open. That is how it opens and closes.
Excited to watch the latest toy unboxing? Subscribe now. It's free. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up